In the quiet corners of our planet, a tiny creature works tirelessly, shaping ecosystems, pollinating flowers, and sustaining life as we know it. This is the world of bees, nature's most underrated architects. Bees have been around for over 100 million years, evolving into one of Earth's most efficient pollinators. But how do these tiny insects hold the key to our survival? Every time a bee lands on a flower, pollen sticks to its body. As it moves from plant to plant, it fertilizes them, allowing fruits, vegetables, and nuts to grow. In fact, 1/3 of the food we eat depends on bee pollination. Without bees, our grocery stores would look empty. No apples, no almonds, no coffee. The ripple effect would be catastrophic. But bees are in danger. Climate change, pesticides, and habitat loss are causing colonies to collapse at an alarming rate. Scientists warned if bees disappear, humanity could face a global food crisis within decades. But there's hope. People worldwide are stepping up, planting bee-friendly gardens, banning harmful pesticides, and even becoming urban beekeepers. The future of bees and ours depends on the choices we make today. Will we save them before it's too late? In the grand tapestry of life, the smallest creatures often hold the greatest power. Protect the bees, protect our future. Plant flowers, avoid pesticides, save the bees.